I stand where vision breeze. No wish left in the dark. No hope begging to be seen. What imagine learn my name. Step forward, arrived awake. I didn't pray for signs. I didn't wait for doors. I'd live inside my silence. Now walks the warm forms. The dream is I won't wake. It walks in my skin. No longer a promise. No longer within. And it answers to my hands. The dream is a earthquake, nothing could break it. No sleep in its vision, no chance left to fake it. Walks for your word on its sweet path revealed, just waiting to be real. No hand on the leash, it owns its own way. No fear of the height, no script to obey. It doesn't look back, it's on the track. The dream is a earthquake, no veil, no disguise. It breathes in the daylight. It meets my eyes. I don't dream anymore. Earth arise. This isn't hope. This embodiment, awake, aware, uncontained.